Various native Australian birds come to the garden in Sydney. One of them is the magpie. The parent birds become aggressive during their breeding season. The silky chickens were attacked by that magpie, and have been hiding in the corner of the garden ever since. I've seen it a few times, flying swiftly overhead. Sometimes it attacks people too. I put up a cover for when it rains. Before long, the breeding season ended, and the magpies stopped coming. What comes often is the cockatoo. They are often seen in groups. They are friendly and very intelligent. Crested pigeons and minor birds are also there with cockatoos. They have beautiful lemon-colored crests and white body feathers. They flew away.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.